Hi, this is Royce Eddings, owner of Royce Construction. We just started a new remodel today in Paso Robles. We've been pulling cabinets out, putting them in the garage. Some of them are going to be given away. Some are going to get thrown away. So let's go inside and take a look at what we're going to be doing. Okay, here we are in the laundry room. We've been pulling all the cabinets out, base and wall cabinets. Most of them are pulled out. That's what we just looked at in the garage. Okay, here we are in the kitchen. All of these cabinets are going to be removed. They're all going to be replaced. Lots of cabinets in the kitchen. They're all coming out. The lowered ceilings are being pulled out. We're taking it back up to the high ceilings in all the rooms. Okay, now we're in the dining room. These coffered ceilings are coming out. The wall between the kitchen and dining room right here is being removed. This door is being removed and replaced. Coffered ceilings are all coming out. Go back to the high ceilings. This wall is going to get removed. These walls are going to get removed. Okay, we're out here in the main living room. Once again, the coffered ceilings all the way around are going to be removed. Again, this wall here is all coming out. And all of these windows you see are going to be removed and raised up with new windows, bigger windows. That's what's going on in the living room. Okay, the guest bath gets completely demolished and rebuilt. This cabinet and these walls here all come out, go away. This room is going to be divided into a bedroom and an office. There'll be a new wall being built here. And over on this side is going to be two bathrooms. There'll be a guest bathroom and a master bathroom. All of these cabinets are going away in the master bathroom.
Message from Berry. Okay.
The tub platform is going away. There's just going to be tile with tile wainscoting on the wall and a freestanding tub. The shower over here is going to go away. The shower is going to go away, and there's going to be two showers built, one for the master, one for the guest. There'll be a wall dividing the two. It's a big job replacing all the windows, all the floor coverings, adding doors, adding trim, new kitchen, all new cabinets, all new appliances. So that's kind of an overview of day one here, just getting started. We moved from the laundry room to the kitchen. We're moving all the cabinets now. We'll keep you posted.